Hi Sahil, could you see the video that Kerry ma'am instructed us to see?
Yes, of course, I saw it, and I found it quite daunting thinking about the person who was involved in the accident and the injuries that he might have faced, and the driver about the emotional trauma that he might have faced due to the accident. Hello, everyone.
Welcome to our group business law project on tort law. So, can you help me understand what are the different types of tort?
Sure, I think there are various different types of torts, such as deceit or fraud, pass to land, intentional, and tort of negligence. However, in this case, the tort of negligence was observed. So, Arya, can you help me understand who is at fault here?
Sure, according to the video evidence shown, it is very clear that the person riding the bike, the one who was hit by the car, is the one at fault.
The four-part legal test that a plaintiff must prove in order to be successful in suing the defendant are.
Duty of care, standard of care, causation, and remoteness.
So let us now identify the four-part legal test for this accident.
Yes, please. The first part is the duty of care. Here, the bike rider owes the duty of care to the car driver because he was supposed to follow the traffic signal.
The second part is the standard of care. The bike rider owes the standard of care to the car driver because he should ride the bike slower so that he does not meet with an accident.
The next part is causation. Even though the bike rider was at fault since he did not follow the rules and breached the standard of care, the injury caused to the bike rider is called causation.
The last part is remoteness. Remoteness is the concept where the injuries foreseeable can be compensated.
So, how did the defendant fail to meet his standard of care?
The defendant should have slowed down his speed as well. Since he was supposed to go to the left, which is a long turn, he should have also taken care of his surroundings, like he should have noticed the bike rider coming and should have stayed more careful with his own vehicle. Applying the legal test, explain who do you think will win the lawsuit and why.
According to me, the car driver was following the traffic signal. He had his hazard indicator on, which depicted that he would be taking a left turn. So I think the car driver should win the lawsuit. So, up next, let's identify and explain the specific damages the plaintiff would sue for.
The plaintiff would be suing for multiple damages that he faced. He would firstly be suing for general damages for the emotional and mental pain that he suffered. He would also be suing for special damages, that is for future care, the loss of income, other medication, and housekeeping costs. Explain how the plaintiff could mitigate his damages.
The plaintiff could have protected himself by wearing a helmet, being aware of the traffic signal, and following the traffic rules.
Let us now try and understand whether contributory negligence applies here, and if yes, why.
Yes, the contributory negligence plays an important part here. The bike rider was traveling from the wrong side. He tried to cross the road even after the signal was yellow, which means he did not follow the traffic signal as well. He was not wearing a helmet, which could be his essential safety precaution. He also did not slow down his speed, due to which he dashed into the car and met with an accident.